In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit reminders on Slack. We'll walk through how to find and edit a reminder workflow, and then show you where to adjust your notification preferences so the alerts you get match the way you like to work. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, let's get to your workflows. On the left sidebar in Slack, look for the Tools section. Open that, then go to Workflows. This is where automation lives in Slack, including reminder workflows your team may have set up. If you don't see tools, your workspace might use a slightly different layout, or you may need the right permissions. That's normal in some organizations, so just keep an eye out for the Workflows area in the Tools menu when it appears. Inside Workflows, find the reminder workflow you want to change. You might recognize it by its name or description, especially if it's tied to a recurring task, a project update, or a channel reminder. Select that workflow to open its details. You'll see the steps that make the reminder run, such as when it triggers, where it posts, and what message it sends. To edit the workflow, click the pen icon. That pencil is your cue that you're moving into edit mode. From here, adjust what you need. You can refine the message text to make it clearer, tweak the schedule so it fires at a more helpful time, or update the destination, like a specific channel or a person, so it reaches the right audience. Take a moment to review your changes, so the reminder does exactly what you expect the next time it runs. If you also want to fine-tune how Slack notifies you, head to your personal settings. Click your profile icon at the bottom left of Slack to open the menu, then select Preferences. In Preferences, go to the Notifications tab. This is where you decide which types of activity ping you. You can choose whether direct messages, mentions, thread replies, or specific keywords will notify you, and you can keep things quieter for less urgent activity. Think of this as shaping your attention so important reminders get through without unnecessary noise. That's all. You've learned how to locate and edit a reminder workflow in Slack, and where to adjust your notification settings so those reminders land the way you want. Take a moment to tailor both to your daily routine, and you'll keep your work on track with fewer distractions.